Hello students, today we will do a guided activity for practicing adjective clauses. But before we begin with the activity, I will explain you the definitions and several examples with the help of which you will be able to understand what are adjective clauses. So let us start. First, let us see what are adjectives. So you all know very well, noun describing words are called adjectives. And what are adjective clause? Adjective clause is a phrase that tells about the nouns they modify. Now see what are relative pronouns. A relative pronoun introduces adjective clause. So adjective clause and relative pronouns, they are interlinked. Relative pronoun introduces adjective clause. The relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which and that. Subject pronouns are who, which and that. This you will understand by looking at the examples. Just look at the example. The boy who or that sang the solo is my best friend. Here students, you can see boy, it is a noun. Who or that is used for the boy, and the highlighted part in yellow is the adjective part of the sentence. Just read the sentence once more. The boy who or that sang the solo is my best friend. So this highlighted part, who or that sang the solo, is adjective clause in the sentence. And this clause is giving us information about the boy, which is a noun. Now let us take more examples. Second one, the man who or that lives next door is a doctor. Here also the yellow highlighted part, who or that lives next door, is giving us information about the man, and man is the noun in the sentence. Next example, just see. Leela was late, which really surprised me. So Leela was late and I am surprised because of this. So the highlighted part in yellow, which really surprised me, is the adjective clause. And I am surprised because Leela was late. Leela is noun. Fourth sentence, I saw her laptop, which was supposed to be under repair. Here, which word is relative pronoun which is used for laptop, and the yellow highlighted part, which was supposed to be under repair, is adjective clause. Noun is laptop. So, just see the points to be noted. Adjective clause acts as an adjective. So the whole adjective clause in the sentence is acting as an adjective. And as it's a clause, so it has a subject and a verb. Since whole clause works like adjective, so it is giving us some information about the noun. Alright. Now we will start with the today's activity, and the name of this activity is identify the person. See, there is a note. This activity is for lower secondary stage students because students need to have prior knowledge about noun, verb, adjective, relative pronoun, subject and object. Then they will have a better understanding of adjective clauses. Just look at the purpose of this activity. The purpose of this activity is to introduce adjective clauses in the subject position through a meaningful picture. Just look at the instructions. So students will work individually. Students have to listen, read and write the sentences provided by the teacher. You have to write the names of the people according to the description. So I will be providing you with sentences and you have to write the names at the picture according to the description. Then you have to notice adjective clauses with subject pronouns. So children, you need to note down the sentences which I will be dictating you. I will be sharing the screen. Just note down the sentences and you have to write the name of the people according to the description. And when you complete the activity, when you write down all the sentences, then you can notice adjective clauses with subject pronouns. Now students, look at the materials needed. You need a photo of people which I will provide you, a photocopy of the picture for each student that I will give you. You need a notebook of your own and a pen to write with. So students, let's start with the activity which will help you have a better understanding of adjective clause with subject pronoun. Students, I want to share with you that I started posting chapter explanation videos on YouTube so that students who are not having proper classes due to the current pandemic may watch these videos anytime and get benefit. See, this is the picture of my team of teachers. I want to introduce them to you. I just passed a copy of this picture to each one of you. I will describe each person. You need to listen and write the names of the person in your notebook. See, I have provided the names of the people beside the picture. Okay, let's do one together. The guy who has the beard is Annie. Can you guess which one is it? Right. This guy with the beard is Annie. Now I can cross this one out. Okay, now are you ready? Here we go. Just see the sentences. The guy who is in light blue shirt is Eden. The girl who is in specs is Tina. The girl who is in between Annie and Eden is Leo. The guy who is the tallest in the group is D. I will say the sentences one more time. Remember to write the names next to the person. Okay, let's check answers. Did you get them correct? Just see. This is Eden. First one we have already done. So, I told you the second sentence. The guy who is in light blue shirt is Eden. Very good. Then third sentence. The girl who is in specs is Tina. Yes, this girl is Tina. Only she is wearing specs. Then fourth one. The girl who is between Annie and Eden is Leo. So, this is Leo. She is between Annie and Eden. And the last sentence, the guy who is the tallest in the group is D. Yes, we can clearly see that the tallest guy in the group is D. Okay, students, good job. So, students, just look at all the 5 sentences which I have provided you. See, the highlighted yellow part of the sentence is showing adjective clause. Like in the first one, the guy who has the beard. So, who has the beard is adjective clause. And this part is telling us about the guy whose name is Annie. Alright. Similarly, I have highlighted the adjective clause in each sentence for subject pronouns. Similarly, you will also do. Thank you so much.